Tom Booth, coffee consultant and award-winning barista, and this is the DeLonghi Dedica traditional pump espresso machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect flat white. A flat white is a drink originating from Australia, New Zealand, and is made up of a double espresso, topped up with fresh cold milk, steamed and textured, have a nice creamy finish. We always use whole milk for a flat white to make sure that you get that sweet finish and a creamy texture. We fill the jug about 1/3 full. We use less milk than for a latte. We have a smaller cup and more coffee in it. We'll press the steam button, which will start the machine heating. This will change the steam arm from producing hot water to producing a good jet of steam. Once we're to a point where we're ready to steam, we simply purge the arm, getting rid of any excess water that might have built up. Then we're ready to take our jug, put the steam arm deep into the milk and turn it all the way on. As we're texturing our milk, we want to make sure we have as few bubbles as possible. We don't want to foam like a cappuccino, we want a smooth, textured finish. And keep touching the outside of the jug with a finger. When we get to a point where we're slightly too hot to touch, that's when you know you've got it right. Give the arm a wipe with a cloth. Now we're ready to pour. Now our milk's hot, we'll take it and give it 2 quick taps on the counter. Let's get rid of any air bubbles that are built up in the milk where we've been steaming it. Take our espresso, and we'll pour slowly, and keeping the jug right around the rim of the cup. As we get higher, pour a little bit harder, and pour a nice part in the middle of our flat white. And we sit back, enjoy the perfect flat white.